Hi, we're pleased to announce the Android version 1.8 of the CareForIT Carer app is now available. Keep watching for a video tutorial on the updated features. Android version 1.8 of the CareForIT Carer mobile app is now available on the Google Play Store. The app speed has been significantly improved and the app now allows supervision, review and appraisal assignment types. The Notes section has been overhauled, making viewing and replying to notes and child notes even easier. You can now clearly view notes and reply to existing notes on the app. A warning or strict stop process has now been introduced on check-in and check-out. There are several elements to this, including GPS location, early check-in and late check-in, early check-out and late check-out, and multiple check-ins. If you would like to use the app restrictions, please contact our support team. Please ensure you and your staff have the latest version of the app installed. Don't forget to like, subscribe and follow all our social media channels.